in less than a week.
Yeah, we thought we were getting off easy this winter because we haven't had much snow, and all of a sudden we got the big blizzard, and then this, and it sounds like there's some more to come. So once it starts happening like this, you just settle in and you get ready for it. You get plenty of gas for the snowblower, get a few shovels ready to go, and some hot chocolate. You're all set.
In Boston, another foot of snow fell. It's caused disruption to thousands of flights. The New England Patriots did manage to get back home after their victory at the Super Bowl, but the weather has put the celebrations on hold. Their victory parade postponed until Wednesday. The disruption caused by the storm has been felt across the northeast United States. Chicago saw one of the heaviest snowfalls